and speedy, effective, trusted mechanism. They have developed this almost 100 years ago. They have the commercial code guide, and commercial code guide very clearly states one thing to start with is case management plan, case management conference. Sometimes in parties come to you on huge matters. You always say, counsel, in the company law, section 6, subsection 11, there is the provision that court can plan a date of hearing and have the case management of parties. Sometimes in huge matters or corporate matters, people do say, and we do. Before ending my few words, that when we go abroad, we proudly say that Pakistan judiciary pioneered in the world on climate justice, on climate change, on human rights, but now we are now whole over the world known for the Pakistan's ADR, strengthening the ADR, foreign arbitration, law enforcement bias, the concept of international arbitration, venue seats, the concept of the mediation, because Pakistan is the second country after England. England gave its judgment on Churchill, 2023, England waived for B, page 1417, and Pakistan has now almost 27 reported judgments from Sindh High Court, Supreme Court, Lahore High Court, Peshawar High Court, Islamabad High Court. That's in the booklet which I prepared, which makes Pakistan a second country in the world to have mandatory mediation written in the law, which is section 134A proviso of the Income Tax Ordinance 2001, where the state-owned enterprises have no right to appeal, only for mandatory mediation. They can go for mediation, and if after 60 days that is not done, then they can file an appeal, which we recently ruled out in the Polycement case. So what I want to say, that with the help of, I must compliment Rehan and Saras for their constant support to all the sectors. I've been speaking at all judges, have traveled across the world, all over Pakistan. A delegation went to the USA specifically on mediation 2 years ago, headed by Justice Shahid, who's now heading the ADR committee in the Supreme Court. I'm a part of the ADR committee in the Lahore. We have proudly said to you that we have even established PAGRA, Punjab ADR Authority, 2025 through the scope of law. We have BG for working as Federal Secretary, retired, working for us. We have the also the retired Judge of High Court. They are bent upon doing those things for simplification. All over provinces, people are focusing on ADR because the goal is, as every law says, we have to have effective resolution of corporate disputes, family disputes, tax disputes, commercial disputes, or any dispute. And Pakistan has, while talking about our own domestic mediation for commercial matters, Pakistan has now a name in the world of doing international mediation with Iran and other countries. That shows the sport. When we talked about mediation 4 years ago, we were only talking about from the judiciary side. Now we talk about mediation. Every institution of Pakistan is focused for mediation. I recall in December 2025 last year, I decided the Ojri camp case with the establishment, and that was successful 40 years old dispute came to an end only on one cause, mandatory mediation. That is now every organ of Pakistan, every institution in Pakistan, from tax authority to every institution, is now thinking about mediation, and mediation is the solution for Pakistan. Thank you.
दुरुस्त हर वक्त बर वक्त